Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick review on this Apple TV cover case that I've got from Amazon. So that's the Apple TV remote, as we all know, but I've got a cover case for this thing from Amazon. So let's see what has come in this package and how good or bad it is. So that's the cover case. I'll put a photo up for you as well, what it is actually from Amazon. There's no affiliate link. I don't do affiliate marketing at the moment, but this is what I have right now. And it just comes like this. So there's no pack, no box or anything. It just came out straight out of this thing like this. There's no box or anything or any branded name or anything. It's only like $9 or something. Now this thing is a special one. You can put your air tag in there as well. So I've got my box of air tags here. I'm just going to take one out. I'm not going to turn it on or set anything up. I just want to show you if the air tag thing fits in there or not. So that's one of my air tags. You can see it's a brand new one. You can put the air tag in there. You see this, like completely fits. Now I'll show you here as well. So if you take your air tag out, just put it in like that. I'm not taking it out of the plastic because I don't want to charge my air tag now. This is for something else. I want to put it in this thing, and that's how it looks like. And then you put your remote. You just have to push it in there. It's a very snugly fit. Interesting. It's good. It's a very snugly fit. There you go. So that's your air tag there, and that's your Apple TV remote. Now in case you lose the remote, you can use your Apple TV air tag. Many videos on Apple TV and how to use the Apple TV. I'm not going to do one of those because this is just a review of this cover and not the Apple TV itself. But this is how the cover looks like. But if you want the AirTag version, that's your AirTag version. That's your AirTag in there, just there. So this is all for today, guys. If you have any questions regarding this product or anything, feel free to write to me in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you as I can. Yeah. Thank you, and bye for now.